What's good, my guys? What's good? We back again with another curly hair tutorial. My hair is in braids. I'm gonna show y'all how to get curls. Basically from braids, me taking down my braids, and then later on I'm gonna show y'all how I actually braid my hair up, you feel me, before I take it down, so you can get them nice curls, you feel me. I know y'all want them curls. I know y'all want the curly hair routine. I know y'all want all the curly natural hair, the curls for the girls. I know, I see y'all. Don't worry, I'm gonna take care of y'all. Alright, oh yeah, happy Thanksgiving, by the way, too. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there, you feel me. Be grateful, be thankful, you feel me. This year has definitely been a roller coaster, but it's not over, and we going into 2021. 2021 is gonna be a better year, you feel me. So just be grateful, be thankful, and happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there, you feel me. Even those people that don't have no family, happy Thanksgiving to you too, you feel me. Make the best of whatever you can do, and whoever you're around, you feel me. Have fun and be grateful. So what I'm gonna use first to take down my braids. Oh, first let me show y'all my braids. I did these myself actually too, so I'm gonna give y'all a tutorial on how to braid your own hair. I just want to show y'all real quick what my hair looks like starting off. Back. Pretty cool braids, just you from 4 simple braids. I'm gonna be using the mango butter hair grease. I bought this from the local Dollar Tree, you feel me. And I'm gonna be using my random rat tail comb. Rat tail because I have the pointy end at the bottom. And yeah, man. Just watch me as I take my hair down. Hope y'all get the curls, you feel me? I'm playing some music now. And yeah, let's get it.
Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and then be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and then be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, it be like whoa whoa. She be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and then be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Girl she throwing it back, riding on my day, and I fall in love. Love tragedy, but I do not see that she loves me. Love is like a drug, ecstasy. Need you back, hit it from the back. Every time I leave, always come right back. It's a wrap, how can you say that? Are you mad? Cause I can't love you back. Why won't you stay? Can you please stay? I'm begging on my knees, I'm trying to tell you please stay. Why won't please stay? Why won't you stay? Feel empty in my chest, I need to tell you please stay. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and then be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and then be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, it be like whoa whoa. She be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that beat like whoa whoa, and then be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that beat like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Man, I don't even know what to tell her. Where I wanna be. Keem. I'm the Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. I is flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do this, bitch, I'm tryna numb the pain. Putting in my brain, can you feel my pain? I'm the Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. I is flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do this, bitch, I'm tryna numb the pain. Putting in my brain, can you feel my pain? It feels insane, days pain, I need a break. Rolling in my mind, I wish you could relate. Like it's only me, don't wanna make a right. I wanna cry, wanna fight, me up inside. Voices in my head, talk to me. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. It's getting so bad, don't wanna think. It ain't cool, never you. Leave me alone, I feel so alone. Before the sun wakes, please take me home. Try to stop these thoughts, but no, I cannot give. What is all of this? I'm stuck, Matrix. I'm the Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. I is flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do this, bitch, I'm tryna numb the pain. Putting in my brain, can you feel my pain? I'm the Molly Burst, I'm tripping off the weed. I is flying high, that's where I wanna be. Yeah, do this, bitch, I'm tryna numb the pain. Putting in my brain, stressing me out, fighting day to day. What if I call it quits? Can I escape this? Oh no, no, I can't go, I can't go, I can't go. I'm so sad, I'm so sad, and I feel bad, and I feel bad. Off of track, trying to get back. How do I get back? Wrong with you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, can't lose you, I hate you. Wrong with you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, can't lose you. Molly burst, I'm tripping off the weed. Highest flying high, that's where I wanna be. I do with this bitch, I'm tryna numb the pain. Hurting in my brain, can you feel my pain? I'm the Molly burst, I'm tripping off the weed. Highest flying high, that's where I wanna be. I do with this bitch, I'm tryna numb the pain. Hurting in my brain, can you feel my pain? Where I wanna be at, where I wanna be, where I wanna be, where I wanna be.
Alright guys, so now I'm gonna show you guys how I usually braid my hair at night. So this is basically my hair after the day, after a long day. This is what my hair usually looks like when I get back. It still pretty looks defined. It's just that the back is a little bit frizzy. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna split my hair down the middle and just clip my hair away, so each side that I'm braiding doesn't get mixed with the other side. So I'm just gonna use these white clips to just clip my hair off, and I just got these white clips from the dollar store. You can get it from any near Sally's or any nearby beauty supply store in your town. You just clip your hair off real quick just to section your hair, because I'm only gonna do 2 braids. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. So I'm just also using a wide tooth comb to just detangle my hair as I braid, because the thing about having good nice braids is you want to have your hair detangled. You want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled and thoroughly, you know, separated. So here I am. I'm gonna start off braiding. First off, I'm gonna take one piece of hair in the front, but make sure it's detangled fully in the front of your hair, because you don't want any lumps in your braids. You want like a nice neat braid. I wasn't really trying to make my braids neat. I just wanted to just show you guys how to braid my hair. So you just take that one piece of hair, and then you take your index finger and you put it through the other piece of hair, and then you take your other index finger and put it through the other piece of hair. It's kind of hard for me to for you guys to understand while I kind of explain it. I don't know if you guys really understand, but like, you're really just using your index fingers from both hands and just like putting it through the hair, and then adding more hair as you go along. Like, it's easier to watch it and like to do it as you watch it. So like, when you guys are actually trying to braid your hair, I want you guys to actually watch along, come back to the video and watch the video as you try to braid your hair, because it's easier when you try to do it and you watch the example of it at the same time. And you can kind of see the braid is starting to form a little bit as it is. So I'm just gonna continue to braid it up, and I'm gonna fast forward the parts that we don't need to see.
Hit that be like whoa whoa, and then be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and then be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, they be like whoa whoa, she be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind that be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Girl she throwing it back, riding on my day, and I fall in love. Love tragedy, but I do not see that she loves me. begging on my knees, I'm tryna tell you please stay. Why won't please stay? Why won't you stay? Feel empty in my chest, I need to tell you please stay. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, it be like whoa whoa. She be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Man, I don't even know what to tell her. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, they be like whoa whoa. She be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be.
Alright, now I'm going to show you guys the same exact thing, but on the opposite side so you guys can better understand a little bit more. Alright, so here I am grabbing the same one piece of hair in the front once again. Just grab that one piece of hair with your index finger and your thumb. And then you're going to use your index finger in your opposite hand to separate the hair, and you just keep on going with index finger, your index finger, your index finger. It's actually a lot more fingers that are being used, but like I want you guys to just focus on your index fingers for now, because that's the easiest way to honestly learn the motion of it. And once you get the motion of how to braid, it becomes so easy of it. You feel me? It's just really just getting the muscle memory down, and then from there you'll learn how to do it. I mean, you could just do it on your own. And here I am, I'm just detangling the hair again, just to make sure all the knots and tangles are out, because you don't want no lumpy braids. And I'm going back to using my index finger, put it through, and then add more hair. Index finger to separate the hair, and keep on braiding. You can kind of see the braids starting to form. And yeah, I'm just gonna follow that along until I finish.
Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, they be like whoa whoa. She be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Girl, she throwing it back, riding on my D, and I fall in love tragedy, but I do not see that she loves me. Love is like a drug, ecstasy. Need you vodka, hit it from the block. Every time I leave, always come right back. It's a wrap, how come you said that? Are you mad? Cause I can't love you back. Why won't you stay? Can you please stay? I'm begging on my knees, I'm tryna tell you please stay. Why won't please stay? Why won't you stay? Feel empty in my chest, I need to tell you please stay. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Hit that be like whoa whoa, it be like whoa whoa. She be like whoa whoa, I be like whoa whoa. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no. Man, I don't even know what to tell her. Hit that be like whoa whoa, and they be like whoa whoa, yeah, grind and be like whoa whoa. On me she no no.